GitHub Copilot just closed signups to new users. Google's AI coding tool is locking paying subscribers out for 7 days, despite promising a 5-hour refresh. And meanwhile, Mark Zuckerberg says AI will write most code within 18 months, and Jensen Huang is telling your kids not to bother learning to code. So, is AI in software engineering actually delivering, or is the hype finally cracking? Before we continue, I want you to know that this channel is all about growing as software engineers together. If you want to join, subscribe now. Let's look at what's actually happening right now. GitHub Copilot Pro, Pro Plus, and Student plans are close to new signups. Why? Because agentic workflows consume so much compute that a handful of user sessions now costs more than an entire month's subscription. They also quietly removed Opus models from the base plan and are pushing users toward the $39 per month tier. And they were just codes running ads inside developer pull requests. Over 11,000 PRs were affected. Google's Antigravity promised Quota refreshes every 5 hours. What users are actually getting is a hidden weekly cap that runs dry on day 1, locking them out for up to 7 days. Effective usage dropped by over 97% for some Pro subscribers. These are not bugs, they are structural economic failures. The tools are useful enough that people use them heavily, but not profitable enough to sustain that usage. Here's where it gets ironic. In May 2025, Zuckerberg told podcaster Dwarkesh Patel that within 12 to 18 months, AI would write most code, not autocomplete, but full autonomous goal-directed engineering. That window is right now, and the tools that are supposed to make that happen cannot even handle the current demand. Jensen Huang told the World Government Summit that nobody needs to learn to code anymore, that AI handles it and everybody is now a programmer. But if you can't tell when AI-generated code is wrong, you cannot catch the bugs, the security holes, or the hallucinated packages. By the way, Huang sells the chips that run all these AI tools, worth keeping in mind. AI in software engineering is not over, but the era of easy promises is definitely over. 51% of GitHub commits are now AI assisted, and that's real. The tools are genuinely useful, but they're also expensive and unreliable at scale. The developers who thrive will be the ones who use these tools critically, knowing what to hand off and knowing exactly when not to trust the output. Are you hitting refresh limits or getting locked out mid-project? Drop in the comments. That's it for this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.